Digital forms of money have slowly saturated the standard cognizance and built up some momentum. In any case, large numbers of them neglect to endure over the extreme long haul and will keep on doing as such, gave Axie's mass reception at the point when a progressive resource stepped in. This was conceivable, zeroing in on what the majority try for fun. Let's look at our speedy Axie endlessness cost expectation before we start the coin's outline. Axie vastness value expectation 2023 as per the Axie boundlessness cost examination. The base cost of Axie will be around $6.09 in 2023. The most extreme value that the Axie can reach is $14.79. Axie boundlessness value expectation 2025 in light of our Axie cost forecast 2025. The cost of the token is anticipated to rise and reach $19.07 toward the finish of 2025. Axie limitlessness value expectation 2030 as per our Axie vastness coin cost forecast 2030. The Axie crypto may exchange the scope of $41.34 to $59.51, and the typical cost of Axie may be around $50.43. What is Axie limitlessness? Being established by Sky Mavis on the advantages of the gaming, crypto, and blockchain industry, Axie vastness is based on Ethereum organization. There are endless approaches to procuring Axie. Yet being a piece of state-of-the-art innovation, blockchain remunerating players for commitment, is completely unfathomable in the realm of Axie vastness. Axie boundlessness environment is based on the Ethereum blockchain. Axie is a token utilized in a blockchain-based game where clients can gather and fabricate utilizing cryptographic money. Players can acquire the Axie crypto by playing the game, and the tokens can then be exchanged on some crypto trades. Beast Fight NFT games have acquired enormous prominence around the world. Subsequently, this might support the general development of the Axie environment and ETH, according to our Ethereum cost expectation. From one viewpoint, the Axie universe represents a gaming and diversion period. On the other, it mirrors a social obligation esteem wherein it sets out business open doors for the general population and fabricates a mood of a solid local area, cutting the guide to a maintainable stage. Clients can claim the local Axie boundlessness of the Axie commercial center, gather them, and use them across a steadily growing universe of games. Conceptualizing the Axie endlessness convention has carried another reality to the spotlight. The benefits of blockchain go past boundaries and the constraints of simply the money area. Intended to address different bottlenecks in finance, Axie limitlessness is said to make lives more engaged and speedy. In a one-of-a-kind way, the Axie endlessness convention has likewise added to destroying the difficulties of blockchain being information openness. They additionally came in bundles, be it repetitive expenses, speed, or pretend of brokers. Axie completely centers around offering clients the advantage of proficient information move that would make their gaming and exchanges Axie vastness specialized investigation with a market cap of $807,073,347 and an exchanging volume of $31,366,767. Axie boundlessness ongoing cost activity mirrors a good recuperation. The Axie limitlessness cost weights around $6.90, with a record-breaking high and low of $165.37 and 12 cents. Separately, in the crypto market, Axie boundlessness has an ongoing coursing supply of 116,939,046 Axie, and the originators behind Axie endlessness are profoundly hopeful that being a pioneer, the mass reception of Axie limitlessness has a ton of vows to see for its fans according to their specialized investigation. As indicated by specialized investigation, Axie tokens have been exchanging very negatively. Subsequent to stirring things up around town, the token rectified greatly and arrived at a solitary digit esteem. Nonetheless, the future cost of Axie boundlessness is supposed to recuperate gradually and consistently. Is Axie vastness still productive in 2023? Axie vastness universe offers many advantages. However, the year 2022 was not awesome for the digital currency market. The market was very unpredictable, and the gamble to rewards proportion was additionally troublesome. The year 2023 has been somewhat better for crypto financial backers as the market has been recuperating. In any case, the recuperation of Axie endlessness was exceptionally present moment, and the costs have again arrived at the lows of 2022. Axie holders might add more tokens to average their property. Yet for new financial backers, it is an unsafe opportunity to enter the market. Nonetheless, since the cost is supposed to rise, merchants who can manage the cost of the great gamble might enter the market and put their cash into these Axie limitlessness shards. Unpredictability is the greatest survivor of the crypto market. It pursues speculation choices and expectations the most difficult. Notwithstanding, our impartial crypto gauge will make the cycle simpler for you. Will the Axie vastness cost go up? Peruse our Axie vastness value expectation to know the fate of the Axie token. As per Wallet Financial Backers Axie cost expectation, it is a terrible long-haul speculation as the cost at the year-end might drop to $2.04, though, as indicated by our Axie vastness estimate, the Axie cost could start an upswing and cross $19.07 toward the finish of 2025, making it a wise speculation. As indicated by Gov Capital, Axie limitlessness has a promising future. It is anticipated that the cost of Axie vastness might skyrocket to $101.25, making it a wise venture by 2027. Simultaneously, the Value Forecasts investigation proposes that the cost of Axie vastness might reach $154.47 by 2030. Axie Endlessness Value Expectation 2023. Our Axie Boundlessness Crypto Cost Forecast proposes that the symbolics cost could record a fair recuperation. Toward the finish of 2023, the Axie vastness cost is estimated to have a greatest worth of $14.79, while the typical cost might be around $10.44. Simultaneously, the base worth might be around $6.09. Axie Coin Value Expectation 2024. According to our Axie Limitlessness Cost Expectation, the Axie coin will precede the upturn as long as possible, and its most extreme worth might reach $17.31. While the base cost might be $12.02. Simultaneously, the Axie token could have a typical cost of around $14.66. It is normal that the Axie financial backers might procure good benefits in the year. Axie Boundlessness Value Expectation 2025. Axie Limitlessness in the year 2025 may have a typical exchanging cost of $16.16, while the base and greatest Axie vastness cost may be $13.25 and $19.07. Separately, in view of our Axie Endlessness Coin Cost Forecast 2025, Axie Value Expectation 2026. According to the Axie Vastness Estimate, the Axie coins could arrive at the greatest worth of $23.44, with a base cost of $16.28. Simultaneously, the typical cost can be around $19.86, in light of our cost expectations. The Axie Limitlessness coin's cost ascend for the year may be immense. Axie Crypto Value Expectation 2027. In light of the specialized examination and Axie vastness forecast, the digital currency might exchange at a typical cost of $25.24. In correlation, the base and greatest costs of Axie are expected to be $20.69 and $29.79. XA Endlessness Coin Value Expectation 2028. As per our Axie vastness forecast, the most extreme worth is expected to be $37.52, while the potential low might be around $26.06. The change is supposed to be moderate, and the typical exchanging cost might be around $31.79 all year long. Axie Vastness Coin Expectation 2029. When it is 2029, the likely high of the coin might have reached $46.71, according to our Axie Limitlessness Crypto Cost Forecast. Taking a gander at the past presentation of the Axie Endlessness, the base